Did you know that nearly 9 out of 10 Americans over 60 are making a simple muscle mistake every day? One that slowly saps their strength and independence? You might even be doing it right now without realizing it. I'm Dr. Sharon Malone, and over the past 7 years, I've worked with countless adults who want to stay strong, steady, and independent as they age. Today, I want to share something that could change the way you think about your muscles. 10 everyday, affordable foods that actually help your muscles stay strong, faster than eggs, even if you're in your 70s or 80s. These aren't magic pills, expensive powders, or strict diets. Just real foods you can grab at your local grocery store that work with your body, not against it. Here's what researchers discovered. After analyzing over 3,000 common foods, only 10 consistently supported muscle health in adults over 60. That's it, just 10. And I'm going to explain why each one matters, how it works, and how you can use it in everyday life. Let's start simple. Cottage cheese. I know it may look plain, maybe even boring, but for adults over 60, it's a secret weapon for overnight muscle repair. You see, as we get older, most muscle rebuilding happens while we sleep. That means if you stop eating protein in the evening, your muscles might not be getting the fuel they need to recover. Cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles steadily through the night. Even half a cup before bed can help reduce morning stiffness, improve balance, and give you more consistent energy during the day. It also provides calcium and phosphorus, which are crucial for strong bones, because strong muscles need strong bones to work with. I've seen this work with many of my patients. Just adding cottage cheese at night often leads to noticeably better movement, less soreness, and more energy within a few weeks. Next, let's talk about tofu. I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that bland or just for vegetarians? But hear me out. Tofu is actually a complete protein, meaning it contains all the amino acids your muscles need for repair and maintenance. What makes tofu especially helpful after 60 is that it's gentle on digestion, low in cholesterol, and naturally anti-inflammatory. Many seniors struggle with joint stiffness or heart concerns, and tofu can help without overloading the body. It also contains isoflavones, plant compounds that gently support your body's changing hormone levels, helping muscles and bones stay resilient. Bake it, stir-fry it, add it to soups or smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's look at chickpeas or garbanzo beans. They may seem ordinary, but they offer something unique. They don't just help rebuild muscle, they fuel it. After 60, many adults experience blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving muscles feeling shaky and tired. Chickpeas provide slow-digesting carbs, protein, and fiber, giving your muscles steady energy throughout the day. They're also packed with magnesium and zinc, which support muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and recovery. I often recommend adding chickpeas to salads, soups, or even mashing them into hummus. Seniors who do this often notice less fatigue, steadier walking, and better stamina over time. Let's move to a food that surprises a lot of people: canned sardines. They're small, shelf-stable, and packed with nutrients your muscles and joints love. A serving of sardines provides high-quality protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, calcium, and B12. Omega-3s help muscles recover faster and reduce inflammation. Vitamin D and calcium support bones, and B12 keeps your nerves communicating properly with your muscles. Many of my patients report less soreness, improved stamina, and easier daily movement after adding sardines just once or twice a week. And the best part? No cooking required. Just open, eat, and get the benefits. Next up is millet, an ancient grain often overlooked. It's not just protein, it provides steady, long-lasting energy for muscles. Refined grains like white rice or bread spike your blood sugar and then crash it, leaving your muscles drained. Millet releases energy slowly, and it's rich in magnesium to prevent cramps, and iron to help deliver oxygen to muscles. Use it as a warm breakfast porridge, mix it into soups, or serve it as a side instead of rice. It's gentle on digestion, gluten-free, affordable, and keeps your muscles fueled for hours. Mussels may sound fancy, but they're actually a practical, budget-friendly food for supporting muscles, tendons, and nerve function. They're loaded with protein, B12, zinc, omega-3s, and taurine, an amino acid that helps regulate calcium in muscles for smoother contractions. Patients who eat mussels a couple of times a week often notice stronger grip, steadier legs, and less soreness after daily activities. Ever thought about nori seaweed? Those thin sheets wrapped around sushi are small but mighty. Nori is packed with iodine, magnesium, iron, and bioactive peptides, all of which help muscles contract properly, deliver oxygen efficiently, and stay coordinated. Even a small sprinkle over meals can improve balance, steadiness, and movement control over time. Spirulina, a type of blue-green algae, might sound unusual, but it's a nutrient powerhouse. It improves muscle endurance, oxygen delivery, and reduces inflammation, helping muscles work longer without fatigue. I often recommend adding a tablespoon to smoothies or juice. It's concentrated, affordable, and easy to use. Tiger nuts, also called earth almonds, aren't nuts. They're small root vegetables. They support circulation, reduce nighttime leg cramps, and supply magnesium and potassium for smooth muscle function. Many seniors noticed lighter legs, fewer cramps, and steadier walking within a few weeks of including them. They're simple to snack on, soak in water, or blend into plant-based milk. Finally, the surprising one. Tigraine, a tiny ancient grain from Ethiopia. It provides protein, lysine, calcium, magnesium, and iron, which support not just muscles, but also connective tissue, joint stability, and overall balance. Seniors in their 70s and 80s who added te reported feeling lighter on their feet, more balanced, and less heavy-legged during daily movement. So there you have it, 10 simple, affordable foods that help your muscles stay strong, your bones stay healthy, and your balance stay steady after 60. Here's the most important point I want you to remember. Muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. Your body can still respond to the right foods, gentle movement, and rest. You don't need extreme diets or expensive supplements. Consistency and smart choices are what really matter. Start small. Pick a few of these foods that you enjoy and fit your routine. Eat them consistently, move in ways you can, and allow time for recovery. Over weeks and months, you'll notice real, meaningful changes in strength, balance, and confidence. I'm Dr. Sharon Malone, and I promise you, your body is still capable of rebuilding strength no matter your age. Take care of yourself, make one small change today, and see what happens.